Before you invest in Bonanza for your dropshipping business, there are a few crucial things you need to know. While it may seem like an attractive option, it's essential to understand its pros and cons, especially when compared to other platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce. Let's dive into 12 key things to consider before making your decision. The first thing to note is Bonanza's ease of use. Compared to Shopify, which requires a more technical setup, Bonanza's interface is straightforward and beginner-friendly. However, while it's easy to start, you may run into limitations as your business grows, unlike Shopify, which has a wider range of customization options. Next thing, the cost structure. Bonanza charges a flat 3.5% fee on each sale, plus additional fees for payment processing. This is lower than Shopify's monthly fees, but keep in mind that Shopify's extensive tools and integrations might make up for the price difference if you're looking for a full-featured solution. The third thing, Bonanza's marketplace. Unlike Shopify, which lets you build your own store, Bonanza also operates as a marketplace, meaning your products compete alongside other sellers. While this can help attract customers, it also means less control over your branding and customer experience. The fourth thing, product integration. Bonanza integrates easily with eBay, Amazon, and Etsy, allowing you to list products on multiple platforms without a hitch. This makes it a good choice for those already selling on these platforms. But it's not as comprehensive as Shopify's native integrations, which support more dropshipping apps and third-party services. Next up, customer support. Bonanza offers support via email and forums, but compared to Shopify's 24/7 customer support, this may feel limited. Shopify's extensive knowledge base and live chat could be a lifesaver when you run into issues with your store. The sixth thing, marketing tools. Bonanza provides basic marketing tools, but it doesn't compare to the advanced features that Shopify offers, like email marketing automation, detailed analytics, and social media integration. If marketing is a significant part of your strategy, Shopify might be the better option here. The seventh thing, shipping and fulfillment. While Bonanza gives you some control over shipping, Shopify's integration with apps like Oberlo and ShipBob provides a more seamless fulfillment process, especially when scaling your business. Bonanza's fulfillment system may not be as advanced, which could slow you down in the long run. The eighth thing, SEO and site optimization. Bonanza does a decent job with SEO, but it's not as flexible as Shopify, which lets you fine-tune SEO settings across your entire store. If ranking high in search results is critical for your business, Shopify's SEO capabilities are a clear winner. The ninth thing, design customization. Bonanza offers a few templates, but they are nowhere near as customizable as Shopify's themes, which allow you to create a truly unique storefront. If branding is a priority, you may feel limited by Bonanza's design options. The 10th thing, scalability. As your business grows, you may find Bonanza doesn't offer the scalability that Shopify does. Shopify's apps and advanced features are built to support large businesses, while Bonanza's simplicity may become a bottleneck as you scale. The 11th thing, payment options. Bonanza supports fewer payment gateways than Shopify, which offers a wide range of payment processors for global customers. If you're targeting an international audience, Shopify's flexibility in this area gives you more options. Finally, the 12th thing, overall flexibility. Bonanza offers a good start for new dropshippers, but if you plan to expand and need more advanced features, Shopify or even WooCommerce might be better suited for your needs. Bonanza's limitations in customization, marketing, and scalability could hold you back as your business grows. In conclusion, Bonanza is a solid option for those just starting out and looking for a cost-effective platform. However, if you're looking for more flexibility, robust tools, and better scalability, it's worth considering other solutions. We recommend checking out our solution, which offers all the features you need to grow your business, and you can try it for free.